Hai, Assalamualaikum dan selamat petang semua. Okay, continue satu lagi slot untuk paper 2 MRSM 2023. Okay, there's a paper 2, list of formula, can check. Okay, let's go to section A. I think you all familiar already with the format. Okay, we look at section A, 60 marks. Okay, question number 1. Diagram 1 below shows the relationship between force and extension. Okay, force F, extension of the spring X. Okay, so this is the graph F against X. F against X. So this one is about Hooke's law. What is stated by Hooke's law? F directly proportional to X. Then F equals to Kx. K equals to F over X. Means equals to gradient of the graph. F against X. Because sometimes they will give you X against F. Okay? Okay, the question. Tick the box below. R is what? So R is 1 point marked here. So you can see this is the last point for a straight line graph. And it's a starting point for the curved part. This one, the straight line means obey Hooke's law. This one does not obey the law. Because the law is directly proportional, so the graph should be straight line. Here curve means does not obey. So when does not obey the Hooke's law means the spring loses its elasticity already after this point. So this one we call it elastic limit. Okay, elastic limit. The maximum force that can be applied before the spring loses its elasticity. Okay, so we have this one, elastic limit. Okay. Okay, part 2. State physical quantity represented by gradient. Just now I have mentioned about K equals to F over X, which is equals to gradient. So what is this K? It is a spring constant or stiffness constant of a spring. What is SI unit for the physical quantity stated in 1A2? So K equals F divided by X. F is in Newton, X is in meter. So SI unit. So you have Newton meter to the power -1. Because Newton is SI unit. Newton equals to kg meter Second, negative 2. Okay. Name the physics law involved. Of course, Hooke's law. Make sure spelling correct. Okay. Question number 2. Diagram 2.1 shows glass tube containing mercury inverted in the beaker filled with mercury to determine value of atmospheric pressure. So what we call this one? Mercury barometer. Okay. Okay, 2.2 shows mercury column falls at the instant height h when the lid is removed. This one not yet removed, the lid. So you can see there is no air inside the tube. So, but then when remove the lid, you can see it makes spaces, vacuum here at certain length. So this part is vacuum. Okay. So what is the value of H? Okay, what is the value of H? Okay, given atmospheric pressure at at sea level. Okay, sea level, this one. The question I want you to state what is the atmospheric pressure at sea level. 76 cm mercury. This value should be given actually, 76 cm mercury. Okay, on diagram 2.2, mark direction of atmospheric pressure on the surface of mercury. So we can mark here. Atmospheric pressure is due to the surrounding air molecule. Okay, so this is direction for atmospheric pressure. Okay, based on your answer, calculate atmospheric pressure in Pascal. This one is the conversion, unit conversion. So use H rho G. This now is atmospheric pressure is 76 cm mercury. 76 cm, you convert to meter, so 0.76. Density of mercury, and then gravitational acceleration. So we get 1.014 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Here, okay, make it 3 significant figures actually. This one. You have the answer, just write down in the answer space here. D, what will happen to the height if mercury is replaced with water? When replaced with other type of liquid, meaning change in density. Okay, when you change to a less than liquid, okay, same atmospheric pressure. Let's say we use a height of mercury, density of mercury G equals to height of water, density of water G. Okay, we cancel the G. Okay, relationship between density and the density of mercury divided by density of water equals to height of water divided by height of mercury. So you can see the relationship is inversely proportional. Means if we use less dense liquid, water is less dense. what happened to the height? Should be increase. Okay, so height h increase. Okay, okay, number 3. Okay, diagram shows a ray diagram placed in front of a lens, focal length 15. So this type of the lens, we call it concave lens. Slim lady, concave lens. For concave lens, the focal length is virtual, so it's negative 15. Okay. Name the type of lens used. Okay, write down here, concave lens. Draw and label image I form. Okay, parallel light rays will be diverged from F. Okay, diverge, actually it comes like this. Diverge from F. Okay, pass through center, straight line. So you can see there's no chances of the two light rays meet here, so no real image, because the real image is here. Okay, this side is virtual, so means no real image. So where is the image? What you do, you look back or extend to the back. This one also same, extend to the back. So you can see the two light rays meet here, means the image is here. This is the image. Okay, so the image produced for concave lens is VUD, virtual upright diminished. So this combination of characteristic, we don't find it when we use convex. Only concave lens has this type of properties or characteristic of image. Virtual upright diminished. Okay. Okay, label, kena label. So ini image I. Okay. Okay, now let's look at C. Object placed distant 20 centimeter. So U is 20 centimeter. From the optical center of the lens, calculate image distance. F is given negative 15. If they want you to calculate for V, use lens equation. So 1 over F equals 1 over U plus 1 over V. Okay, so 1 over negative 15. You must add in the sign. 1 over 20 plus 1 over V. So what we get for 1 over V? 1 over V is negative 1 over 15 minus 1 over 20. Okay. You just solve this one. You will get V equals to negative 8.571 centimeter. Okay. So answer negative means the image form is virtual. Okay. Virtual image has negative sign of V. V dia negatif untuk virtual image. Okay, state one application of lens above. Di mana guna lens ini? Okay, ada guna untuk spectacles for short-sightedness, untuk rabun jauh. Bukan rabun dekat ni, nama dia short lah. Short maksudnya pandangan jadi pendek. So dia sebenarnya ialah rabun jauh. Okay, lagi apa? Okay, kita boleh guna untuk smartphone camera, wide angle photography, binocular, banyaklah yang boleh bagi. Sebab image dia kecil, so kalau image kecil kita boleh guna untuk observe wide vision or wide region of anything that using this concept. Okay, number 4, diagram shows heating element. Hair dryer emits electromagnetic radiation, wavelength. It is an example of black body in daily life. What is the meaning of black body? Soalan tanya black body, ni tajuk Fizik quantum. Okay, ialah an idealized body. Ideal tu perfect lah. That able to absorb all electromagnetic radiation falls on it. Okay, cahaya ke apa ke semua yang jatuh dia akan absorb, dia tak reflect. That's why dia appear black. They call it black body lah. Okay, kalau macam daun hijau, you can see the green leaf. The leaf absorb all range of color but reflect green color. That's why you observe green. Okay. Kalau black body dia tak ada reflect langsung, no reflection of light. Absorb semua, absorb all. Okay, B1, frequency of electromagnetic radiation produced. Calculate frequency. So we have wavelength given 780 nanometer. Formula apa nak guna? Okay. Untuk wave, kita biasa guna ini. FB equals to F lambda. Tapi kalau untuk electromagnetic wave atau light, the speed will become speed of light. So we have this formula. C equals to F lambda. Okay. So to calculate frequency, F equals C divided by lambda. What is C? Check list of formula. 3 times 10 power 8 divided by 780 nanometer. Nano kena convert ke meter. Nano convert ke meter. Okay, kiralah berapa? 3.846 10 power 14. Apa unit? Tulis unit Hertz. Okay. Jangan rounding banyak sangat. 3 significant figures kurang-kurangnya. Okay, part 2. Power of photon from the heating element when number of photon illuminated given per second. Okay, so what formula that we should use here? We want to calculate power. So power equals to NHF. N is the number of photons per second. Maksudnya N ialah 3.37 10 power 18. So ini ialah N. F, you sudah calculate di atas. H ialah Planck constant. You boleh check list of formula. Okay, substitute frequency okay, so you will get power equals to W, capital W. W besar. Okay, so ini ialah power of photon. Ya, power of photon. Okay, bahagian C. Light rays enter the ear cavity. So you can see the light gets in, they keep reflected inside but does not come out. So the ear cavity will appear black. If you look from outside, you cannot see anything, it's just like black. So this one is one example of black body. Okay, black body. Okay, no reflection from ear cavity. Okay, explain how the ear cavity can act like a black body. Well, how many marks you get? 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks, you must add in 3 points. Okay. The light or the electromagnetic wave, the lights that gets into the ear cavity will be reflected inside on the inner wall of ear cavity. Okay. At each reflection, ear cavity will absorb all the reflected light. Until all lights are absorbed. Okay, dia lah. Okay. Kita nak nampak ini, dia reflected and absorbed. Nampak? Okay, reflected on the inner wall of the ear cavity. Okay, but not reflected out of the ear cavity. So this one will act like a black body now. Yeah? Okay. Okay, no light is reflected to outside. Okay. I just want to add some. So actually 3 marks no need to be so long, but up to you. You must have all the points. Yeah? 3 points. Okay, number 5, diagram 5.1, 5.2 show brightness of bulb when transformer supplied with different type of power supply. Okay, so we have AC and here is DC. Okay, identical bulbs. So you can see here, lights out, does not lights out. Okay, what is a function of transformer? To increase or decrease AC voltage. Okay, type of power supply used, if you compare, okay, diagram 5.1 use alternating current. And diagram 5.2 use direct current. Okay. Input voltage in 5.1 and 5.2 are equal atau same. Okay. Brightness of bulb five point one is higher atau larger, and the bulb in 5.2 does not light up. Okay. Relate type of power supply used and the brightness of bulb. When the power supply of alternating current is used, the bulb in lights up. Ataupun brightness of bulb increase. Okay. State the physics concept in the working principle of transformer. Transformer work based on the electromagnetic induction. Okay. Part E. About power rating given. Normal brightness. What is the meaning of normal brightness? Means the voltage supply is 12 volt. Calculate number of turns for secondary coil. This one is NP and S. NP yang ada power supply itu NP. Sini tak ada power supply. The voltage produced by induction, ini secondary. Okay, disebabkan dia normal brightness, so ini ialah 12 volt. Okay, so we want to find the NS. Gunakan formula ini. Vs over Vp equals to Ns over Np. Okay. Dapatkan Np ya. Sorry, kita nak cari. Oh sorry, Ns. Okay. 5 turn saja. Okay, jadi kena faham ni ya, sini. Kena faham clue yang dia bagi ya, not directly given. Normal brightness maksudnya memang connect to 12 volt. Number of turns secondary coil increase to 15 turns. What happened to the bulb? Okay, we can check if maximum voltage, okay, receive number of turns ialah 5. Kalau you make it 3 times larger, means the voltage produced will be larger. Okay, the voltage produced will become 3 times bigger because V and N directly proportional. Ini jadi 15, means ini akan jadi berapa? 36. Okay, the bulb just can receive maximum. Di situ labeling dia 12 volt. So the current will be very large. So what happened to the bulb? The bulb will be spoiled. Ataupun the bulb blow. Burn pun boleh lah. Okay, number 6. 6.1 sun surface, 6.2 mini nuclear reactor. This one topic radioactivity. Yeah? So you can see this one is a fusion, process of fusion, energy. Okay, you can see. Complete the sentence by underlining the correct answer. The nuclear reaction occur is nuclear fusion. Dia suruh potong garis, garis jawapan yang betul ikut arahan. Garis. Okay, B, tenaga nuklear dilepaskan. Nuclear energy release. Complex saja. Okay, tengok sini. Okay, ini 4.03, ini 3.27, ini 6.1. Okay, nuclear energy release in 6.1 is larger than in 6.2. Okay, mass defect ini 0.0043, ini 0.0035. Mass defect in 6.1 is larger than in 6.2. Tengok, saya mula sini, saya start dengan 6.1, ini pun saya start dengan 6.1. Okay, the source of nuclear reaction. Kita nak tengok source dia apa sini. Dia guna apa? Isotope of hydrogen. Ini sama dua-dua sama. The source of nuclear reaction in 6.1 and 6.2 are same. That is isotopes of hydrogen. Using your answer, mass defect and energy. Nampak sini ya, energy larger, mass defect larger. Maksudnya larger. Okay, the larger the mass defect, the larger the energy release. Okay, nampak daripada compare tadi, larger, so dia tulis macam ni. So ini ialah relate. Energy release and temperature produced. When we talk about temperature, we'll look at again ada information tak? But we know that for fusion, it requires very high temperature. As we know that when more heat energy produced, of course, the temperature will become higher. Okay, so the larger the energy release, the higher the temperature produced. Okay, so ni semua adalah relate. Cara relate macam you tulis hypothesis tu. Kecuali you memang guna formula, bolehlah guna directly proportional dan sebagainya. Tapi kalau yang ni, tak perlu guna yang directly proportional. Okay, guna increase, decrease macam tu saja. Okay, bahagian di reactor nuclear. So ini proses apa? You boleh nampak dia split. So ini ialah fission. Okay, boleh nampak uranium bombarded by one neutron, split to two, chromium and krypton and barium. Continuous, okay, process. Write equation of the reaction involved. Okay, write equation. So we have one neutron, salin je and uranium 23592 to, okay, we have krypton and barium. One for 156. Okay, plus 3 neutron. Dia ada 3 neutron hasilkan. Okay, of course ada juga energy lah. Okay, so ini equation untuk reaction yang kita panggil fusion. Fusion. The reaction occurs continuously. Name the reaction. Continuous reaction, we call it chain reaction. Dia tak balas berantai. Berantai maksudnya berterusan lah. Okay, unless we control the process. Okay, number 7, you can see diagram ini transistor. Apa jenis transistor? You boleh labelkan. This is direction of angle. Ini sama macam current punya. So dari positif ke negatif. Kalau ini NP, ini mestilah P. Jadi ini adalah PNP transistor. Okay. Okay, what is majority charge carrier of the transistor? Sebab dia adalah P banyak PNP. Jadi majority dia akan jadi holes. Okay. Sebab dia tanya majority. Name the terminal label X. X itu ialah emitter. Okay, diagram ini ialah electronic. In complete circuit, 3 identical bulbs lights up normal brightness in the dark. What is the function of resistor R? Ini ialah base circuit. Base circuit ialah di mana dia ada BE junction. Collector, base, emitter. Okay, ini BE junction. So kawasan ni ialah base circuit. Kenapa ada R ini? Okay, if you look at the structure of the transistor, P and P. So N ini is a very thin layer, means consists of small charge, small charge. So when you want to let the transistor on, you need to overcome the junction voltage across the junction, BE junction, and it requires just small amount of charge. Okay, so if you don't put R here, very large amount of charge will go to base. This one will cause transistor to spoil. So what we put here, some of the work done will be used by R. Okay, some of the current, okay, ataupun some of the voltage is used to overcome resistance R. So the value of current, okay, IB will become small, okay, to limit base current, so that transistor is not spoiled. Okay, electronic component used to complete circuit in diagram 7.2. Kita ada J, K dan L. function is the bulb lights up. Suitable component for the circuit to function automatically surrounding is dark. Okay. So the use of light dependent resistor, LDR. Okay, kita gunakan LDR lah. Okay, sebab dia nak waktu malam kan. Macam nak detect malam. Dia out lah. Okay. And then kita check lagi J dengan K sambungan dia punya tu. Okay, X ini ialah apa? Okay, dia ada sel kering ataupun dry cell. Cara sambungan dia, okay, kita check tengok yang mana. Okay, ini ialah PNP transistor. Kalau ini PNP, BE junction forward bias, maksudnya N ini mesti sambung ke negatif. Okay, emitter kena sambung ke positif. So kalau begitu, ini akan jadi macam mana? Okay, nak lukiskan bateri dia, atas dia negatif. Atas pendek, bawah panjang. Okay. Y ni apa? Kita boleh letak PPC kat sini. Ataupun LDR. Jadi yang first ni salah lah. Kita ambil L. Dry cell dalam arrangement yang kita bagi itu dalam bentuk tadi ya. Begini. Supaya apa? So that the BE junction is forward bias. Okay, kotak Y tadi ialah LDR ataupun light dependent resistor. So function of LDR ialah untuk apa? To increase base voltage. Base voltage increase, barulah I akan mengalir atau so the base voltage low. This one, please. This current. Based on your answer, choose the most suitable. Set L. Okay, number 8. Diagram 8 shows barista using one to of the espresso coffee machine. Steam that released from the one can be brew and foam milk. Okay. The specific latent heat of vaporization given. Ini untuk boiling. At boiling point. Okay, nampak ni. What is meant by specific latent heat of vaporization? Okay, ini memang kena memorize lah. No chance lah. Kalau tak memorize tak boleh tulis. Okay. Amount of heat. Kena ingat semua definition. Amount of heat required to change 1 kg liquid to gas at constant temperature. Boleh penuh lengkap. Okay. Amount of heat required to change 1 kg liquid to gas. 1 kg of liquid to gas at constant temperature. Okay. Itu definition untuk specific. Specific kena ada ni 1 kg. Okay, 0.5 kg water espresso machine has fully converted to steam in 5 seconds. Calculate heat absorbed by water. Heat absorbed by water ialah Q equals to ml. Semua sudah jadi steam kan? Jadi mass berapa? All. Kita tengok kat 0.5. 5 specific latent heat of vaporization. Jadi akan dapat 1.13 10 power 6 joule. Okay. Sebab dia ada sebut sini fully converted. Jadi kita tak ada lah MC theta semua tak ada. Okay. Okay, part C. Suggest modification can be made to increase ability of machine to produce more steam efficiently based on the following aspect. Water pressure in the coffee machine. Okay, maksudnya kena guna higher water pressure. Apa reason dia? To produce more heat energy. Okay, ada banyak jawapan yang boleh terima. To change liquid to steam atau gas faster atau in a short time. Lebih cepatlah proses dia kalau high water pressure. Okay, number 7. Okay, size of water tank. Sorry. Bukan 7 lagi Dia masih tadi nombor yang sama. Tak habis lagi. Okay, dia punya size of water tank smaller. Upper reason, smaller volume maksudnya P dengan V. Okay, smaller volume, high pressure. Produce more steam faster. Okay, ini sebab kita nak smaller water, higher water pressure. Okay, initial temperature of water kita sebut higher. Okay, apa reason? Okay, produce more heat energy. Produce banyak boleh terima, produce higher pressure pun boleh. Sebab high temperature kan. Okay, boiling time is shorter, lebih cepat boil lah. Sebab dia dah mula dengan high temperature kan. It takes shorter time lah to reach 100 degree Celsius kalau guna water. Okay, dah habis lah number 8 ya. Okay, secara ringkas number 9. Okay, number 9 AC banyak lah ya yang spot soalan macam-macam. Okay, just tengok beberapa contoh soalan di sini. Okay, yang number 9 ni ialah topik wave and optic, iaitu daripada form 4 punya topik. Okay, kita ada sini nampak diagram, ada gap kat sini. So ini adalah proses yang kita panggil ataupun fenomena yang kita panggil ialah diffraction. Okay, what is meant by diffraction? Okay, tulis jawapan di answer space jangan tulis dalam soalan. Tulis dekat space yang disediakan. Okay, dekat bahagian belakang soalan akan ada space macam ni. Untuk soalan 9. Okay, jadi kita tuliskan saja jawapan dekat ruang yang disediakan. Jadi 9A1, tulis nombor soalan yang dipilih ya. Apa definition untuk diffraction? Okay, the spreading of wave as the wave pass through a gap or round an obstacle. Okay, itu soalan untuk definition pertama. Okay, soalan 2. Soalan 2, kita balik pada soalan tadi soalan 2. Okay, explain how the gap can produce calmer water. Okay, kalau nak produce calmer water, kita nak hasilkan kita nak hasilkan more obvious effect of diffraction. Okay, so how to produce more obvious effect of diffraction? Okay, kita boleh tulis dalam point form dan sebagainya, tak ada masalah. Okay, ini yang pertama, sentence yang pertama. When water wave pass through a gap, it will be spread out. Energy or wave will be spread out to larger area. Amplitude of water wave decrease. Okay, the lower the amplitude, the calmer the water wave. Sorry. Okay, maksudnya last kali kita relate balik ya. The lower the amplitude, the calmer the water. Saya rasa itu saja sebab soalan dia nak itu je kan. Ya, tengok balik ya. Itu saja. Okay, B. Effect on water wave when passing through small gap. Ada dua gap. Dua gap, you boleh nampak ada overlapping ya. Okay. Between the wave from the two sources. So these two sources are called coherent sources because the wave are coming from the same source. Okay, the S1 and S2. Okay, point, you can see point in the red color. Ini crest, mid crest. Okay, so crest, mid crest, we call it constructive interference. Okay. Okay, jawab soalan ni ya. Saya terus jawab lah ya. Name phenomenon occur in the interference of water wave. What is point X and how point X is produced? Point X is constructive interference. So it produced by two waves which are in phase, meet atau overlap. Okay, itu jawapan. Okay, part 3, when distance between two gap increase, what happen to distance between point X and point Y? Explain your answer. Maksudnya value of X. Interference, lalu ingat formula dia. X equals d lambda over E. Okay, X directly proportional to wavelength. Soalan yang tadi tu tulis jawapan dekat ruang jawapan. Apa kesan kalau distance dia dipendekkan, decrease? Okay, sorry, size of gap. Size of gap. Jadi jawapan you all ialah distance decrease. Okay, apa explanation? Okay. The larger the distance between two gaps, the smaller the distance between point X and Y. Okay, tengok bahagian C. Effect of coastal erosion. One of methods to prevent coastal erosion is in wave breaker. Okay, characteristic of four waves of the wave breaker. Kita ada P, Q, R, S. Okay, kita nak pilih yang mana. You all choose first before answer. Pilih dulu baru answer. Baru tulis jawapan penuh. Okay, type of wave breaker, tetrapod wave breaker. Apa? Okay. Dia bentuk ini. Jadi wave tu akan banyaklah berlaku friction dan akan hilang banyak energi di sini. Okey, ini betul. Okey. Untuk material dia kita guna concrete. Okey, kita seterusnya ini kita tak pakai ini. Kita akan remove dua dulu. Dua. Okey, tengok concrete. Yang mana lebih strong? Okay, concrete lebih strong banding stone. Okay, arrangement susunan dia adalah susunan yang scattered, not arranged lah. Increase lagi dia punya friction kalau susun. Okay, kita tengok yang lain. The next one. Location, kita nak avoid soil erosion dan the space ataupun the water there will be calmer. So kita akan pilih location dia. dia nak kawasan di mana kita nak pasang tu ialah kawasan yang wavy lah kawasan yang wavy. Kalau B dia less wavy, tak perlu pasang, tak apa. Okay, so we choose the cape area. Okay, we choose the cape area untuk pasang the breaker tu ya, wave breaker. Jadi yang kita pilih ialah ini. Jadi nampaknya kita akan pilih R lah. Ini bukan resort ini lain ya. Kalau yang resort tu kita pilih B lah, sebab dia less wavy. Okay, jadi yang ni untuk to overcome the high wave atau strong wave, kita panggil wave breaker, mestilah pasang dekat kawasan yang high wave atau strong wave. Jadi strong wave tu ada di mana? C, bukan D. Jadi jawapan dia R. Okay, jadi cara penulisan untuk soalan ni, okay, you all boleh buatkan kolom macam 3 kolom. Kita gunakan aspek kolom yang satu. Kolom yang kedua ialah karakteristik, and then explanation. Kenapa buat macam ni? Untuk elakkan you all terlupa tulis aspek. Jadi first, you salin dulu semua aspek. Okay, jadi salin je semua aspek dia. Apa aspek tadi? Yang pertama ialah type of wave breaker. Kalau nak buat numbering pun tak apa, boleh je. Okay, yang kedua ialah material of wave breaker. Salin je. Okay, nombor 3, arrangement of wave breaker. Okay, 4, tempat tadi ialah location. Okay, karakteristik type of wave breaker, kita guna yang tetrapod. Okay, ada juga. Okay, material or wave, sini kita letak konkret. Jadi dia all punya tu boleh buat kotak yang ada line macam ni lah, sebab separate setiap satu bahagian lah. Okay, guna ruler, jangan guna freehand. Okay, konkret. Dia punya arrangement, location ialah K. Okay, so tuliskan dia punya reasoning. Jangan salin yang diberikan dalam soalan. Tengok soalan cakap. Okay, study and choose most suitable along coastal line. Ini semua. Jadi nak increase theories ke sebenarnya. Okay, tetrapod tu boleh tulis banyak boleh. Okay, material wave breaker, concrete, stronger. Tulis stronger je pun tak apa. Okay, kita nak dia scattered. Scattered maksudnya to produce more friction pun boleh. Okay, ataupun to increase uneven reflection of water wave. Okay, kita nak dia scattered tadi. Sorry, saya tulis sana. To produce more friction. Kalau more friction, dia akan ni lah, Okay. Okay, location ialah Cape. Kenapa? Sebab dia adalah region with high water wave. Okay. Jadi pilihan you kat mana? Tulislah pilihan you. R is chosen because you salin je balik sini. Yang ni ya. Because R is using tetrapod with breaker made of concrete with scattered arrangement and Cape. The location is Cape. Ya, salin je. Jadi tadi made of concrete arrange ataupun scattered arrangement and region. Macam tu lah dapat 10 markah. Ini pun one pair. Dia kan separate semak separate semak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dan reason betul 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Lepas tu you choose betul 1. Lepas tu you write again the reason 2. Jadi jumlah 10 marks. Okay, kita tengok saya ringkas je lah ya. Number 10 sebab saya dah ambil masa 1 jam lebih dah. Okay, nombor 10 ni ialah kalau tengok gambar ialah tajuk force. Tajuk force ialah form 5 punya tajuk. Macam biasa, definition untuk force, a push or a pull. Okay, a push or a pull. Senang je. Tak perlulah pergi bagi definition untuk resultant force. Itu lain. Lepas tu soalan, okay, what happens to resultant force and acceleration when more than 2 student pulls it? Means F increase. Okay. Resultant force increase, acceleration increase. Okay, F equals to MA. explain your answer. Jadi you all boleh guna Newton second law untuk explain. Okay. Okay, soalan C ini berkaitan apa? Racing competition. Okay, racing car lah. Dulu pernah keluar dah soalan ni. Racing car. Okay, ada berapa karakteristik? 4 macam biasa. Density, shape, type of surface of tire, shape of car. Okay, kita akan pilih density kita nak apa? Okay, kita nak racing car, dia mesti density dia low lah sebab kita nak mass dia low. Okay, jadi kita akan pilih low, kita akan remove 2 macam biasa. Okay, shape of the spoiler kita guna inverted aerofoil. Okay, untuk racing car kita pakai inverted. Okay, tire, tread, bunga pada tayar. Okay, kita nak pilih yang ada tread atau tak ada tread. Okay, kalau tengok kereta tu tak ada tread lah, treadless lah. Okay, shape of the car. Okay, bukan hydro. Hydro ni untuk water macam kapal lah, hydro. Jadi dia untuk air punya pergerakan dalam udara, aerodynamic. Okay, jadi you nampak yang paling betul ataupun paling sesuai ialah Y. Jadi kita akan pilih Y. Tengok penerangan di sini, dia tak ada mention ni. Okay, dia ada mention sini greater velocity. Take note yang ni. Jadi dalam reason tak boleh ulang yang ni, guna yang lain. Okay, itu maksud soalan untuk ni. Jadi macam biasa you all boleh buat 3 kolom. Okay, tuliskan aspek, karakteristik dan reason. Okay, untuk bahagian C saya tulis sikit C. Okay, kita ada aspek, karakteristik dan dia punya explanation atau reason. Buat table. Okay, aspek yang pertama ialah density. Okay, density of car. Salin je balik semua. Okay, number 2 ialah shape of car spoiler. Okay, yang ketiga ialah type of surface of tire. Yang keempat ialah shape of car. Nampak salin je balik semua yang dalam table tu. Lepas tu karakteristik baru masukkan yang Y punya tadi. Density of car is low. Shape of aerofoil salin juga inverted aerofoil. Okay, type of surface ialah treadless tire. Shape of car ialah aerodynamic. Bukan aerofoil, aerodynamic. Ini untuk overcome water air resistance. Okay, explanation. Density low, you boleh tulis lighter ataupun lower mass pun boleh. Okay, inverted aerofoil to produce more resultant force downward. Okay, okay. Sebab kalau dia letak macam biasa, dia akan hasilkan lift force ke atas. Sekarang you inverted ke bawah, dia akan hasilkan force downward. Jadi kalau downward force is larger, the car will become more stable. Okay, treadless. Okay, to reduce friction. Okay. Sorry, ini dia jawapan dia bagi tak betul. Increase traction atau grip to the road surface. Okay, aerodynamic ini reduce air resistance cukup. Okay, jadi tulis, nampak tak saya tak ada tulis pun yang increase velocity. Jangan tulis sebab increase velocity dah bagi dalam soalan. Jadi pilihkan jawapan apa? Why is the most suitable atau chosen pun boleh. Because apa? Okay. Low density, salin balik yang sebelah kiri. Okay, using inverted aerofoil, spoiler, threadless tire, and the shape is aerodynamic. Okay, dapat lengkap lah. Tulislah dengan betul. Okay, dia dapatlah jawapan dia untuk soalan C. Okay, soalan terakhir bahagian C. Okay, ni soalan nombor 11. Kalau nampak sini ialah macam pendulum, tapi nampak ada plate. Okay, ada power supply sini. So ini topik electricity kan. Okay. Jadi kalau 3 kilovolt, ini dia punya height H. 5 kilo, dia punya H lagi besar. Increase H. Okay, what is the meaning of electric field? Bisa jawab. Soalan ni tanya tentang electric field. Okay. Okay, yang keluar untuk bahagian ni ialah, ini ialah steam iron. Okay, modification untuk steam iron. Soalan ni macam soalan yang dah pernah keluar dulu ya. Okay, definition. Lepas tu compare EHT. Highlight kan apa yang nak compare. EHT, height of reservoir, H, distance between two metal plates. Lepas tu deduce relationship between height of reservoir, H, and strength of electric field. 5 markah. Okay, relate dulu potential difference in height. Lepas tu deduce relationship between height H and strength of electric field. So 5 point. Okay, saya rasa ni boleh buat kot. You all just compare dan buat relation, relate dan deduce. Di sini pun boleh nampak dia punya difference kan. Okay, dan ni separation ni compare. Okay, lepas tu compare height dan compare dia punya voltage. Okay, soalan C. A bird perched on the electrical transmission cable does not experience electric shock. Kenapa tak kena shock? Kalau kita pegang, kita kena dah electric shock. Tapi kenapa tak kena electric shock? Because kalau you tengok separation between legs of the bird, okay, is very small. Maksudnya distance between 2 points tu is very short. Kita boleh sebut dari sini ialah length of the wire touched by the bird feet is very short. Okay, thus resistance of the wire is smaller. Resistance of wire is smaller. Soalan ni 4 markah kan. Okay. Potential difference atau voltage is small. Electric current flow through the bird also small. So it's not enough to cause electric shock to the bird. Okay, you can see when the bird perch. Okay, let's say ini wire. Okay, the distance ini sangat kecil. Okay, so V is smaller. So current is smaller. Okay, resistance is smaller. Okay, so ini menyebabkan current small. So does not cause any shock to the bird. Ini you all bertulis sendirilah jawapan dia. Okey, tengok D. D ini ialah, kalau ikut sini ialah heating element. Okay, jadi heating element, kena faham konsep. Heating element, useful energy ialah heat. So how to produce more heat? The higher resistance. Resistance must be large. So means kita lihat factor affecting resistance. Okay, jadi tajuk ni kena lihat factor affecting resistance. Okay, sama juga kita boleh buat 3 kolom. Okay. You all boleh ada aspek, you punya suggestion atau modification, and then you punya reason atau explanation. This one just to differentiate between question number 9, 10 and also 11. Okay, the first aspect that you can see from here is the length of heating element. Apa factors that affect length, diameter, material, itu semua boleh masuk. Okay, longer. Okay, number 2, number of turns of coil should be more. Okay, yang ketiga ialah diameter of heating element. Small atau smaller pun boleh, atau thin pun boleh. Okay, material of heating element. Yang popular nichrome. Okay, ada banyak idea boleh bagi 5 soalan dia minta heating element, power of steam iron and safety. Kena masuk safety sikit. Okay, kita masuk sikit power dengan safety. Power of steam iron. Higher power. And then the safety. Pastikan cover semua Jadi untuk yang properties atau factor affecting ni, you boleh masuk 3 cukup dah. Okay, ni boleh tambah lagi ikut arahan soalan lah. Okay, safety aspect. Okay, banyak macam-macam boleh letak, macam-macam boleh. Boleh letak fuse, beeping plug, automatic switch off. Okay, automatic off kalau tak guna. Okay, ni semua boleh masuk. Jadi lebih tak apa, jangan kurang. Okay, length of heating element. Longer tadi kita nak dia higher resistance. Okay, boleh repeat banyak kali pun tak apa. Okay, number of turns of coil. Boleh nak tambah yang lain, boleh. More heat produced. Ini nak tulis lagi higher resistance boleh. Okay, nichrome high resistivity. Ada yang letak high boiling point, boleh juga. Okay, power of steam higher. Element can be heated faster. Cepat panas dia. High power. Ataupun dia cepat produce steam pun boleh. Fuse auto cut off when excess current flow. Fuse, okay. Safety dia, fabric does not burn. Kalau dia auto off. Kalau you forgot to turn off, dia does not cause the fabric to burn. Okay, untuk yang 3-pin plug, itu untuk AC juga, to prevent electric shock. Sebab ada earth wire. 3-pin plug ada earth wire. Okay. Jadi ini sekurang-kurangnya 5, tapi ikut arahan soalan. Ikut arahan soalan, apa yang dia nak. Okay. So itu sajalah untuk hari ini. Saya laju sikit. Okay, thank you. Bye.